Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about how to use eMonth function in Excel. The eMonth for end of month function calculates the last day of the month. The eomonth for end of month function calculates the last day of the month, that is so many months ahead or behind the date that you specify, or behind the date that you specify as its start date argument, as its start date arguments you can use the eomonth function to quickly determine the end of the month. You can use the eomonth function to quickly determine the end of the month, at a set interval in the future or past. At a set interval in the future or past. For example, suppose that you enter the following eomonth function, that you entered the following eomonth function in a cell equal eomonth date 2013, then close bracket, comma, then on. So go to the Excel sheet and right here start date and use their eomonth function. Right here, end of current month. So right here 12/01/2020, there have a starting date, and right here function equal Eomonth select start date and month. There have a month is January, so we write here 0. When you write here 0, and this function work for the current month, then enter, and you can see 12/31/2022. Similarly, I'm right here 02 3 2024. We say that the month at a set interval in the future or past. So 2024 is the future date, so I'm writing here function Eomonth argument starting date and using current month, then enter, and you can see Excel returns the date serial number 4535, on which becomes 2 3 and 2024 when you apply the first date format to each cell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.